I'm Steve Grubbs, and this was my elementary school. Come on. We're showing this to you today because this atom-based building, this former school, is where we at VictoryXR are building the school of the future. Let's take a look inside. That was the gym. We had a lot of fun in there. You can still see the pull-out cafeteria tables. Now that was the principal's office. I mostly stayed out of there. But today we're going into room number 8, the library. It's not much of a library anymore. But in this building that we purchased a few years ago, this is where VictoryXR is building the school of the future. We want to give you a peek inside.
Okay, we are now on the VictoryXR campus in virtual reality. Welcome. I want to introduce two people that are very important to this whole process. First is Renee Gedalia, our curriculum specialist and the chancellor of VictoryXR Academy. And second, Annie Coyle, our lead architect and our master of technology. Now, today we are announcing something very big, very special with our friends at Vive. So, Vive and VictoryXR have worked together to bring schools and parents across the United States one headset that has both the wireless technology of virtual reality and the software educational programs of VictoryXR. We're going to take a look at two of those right now, and we'll be right back.
In 3, 2, 1.
Nuclear fusion is considered to be a cleaner type of fuel source.
Hi, I'm Mel.
And I'm Gerdy.
This is the Hadean era. It's like 4.5 billion years ago.
Now on the VictoryXR campus, we have traditional classrooms like this science lab and anatomy, but we also have some very fun classrooms for students to learn in. Let's take a look. What better place to study about, say, medieval literature and maybe even this Baroque marble sculpture from the 1600s than right here at Mistvale College on the VictoryXR campus. And what's really cool is that even the chess club has a place to meet and compete on the VictoryXR campus. So here's the deal. The Vive VictoryXR bundle provides an amazing virtual reality headset that comes preloaded with education content and the option to upgrade to the VictoryXR campus where students and educators can come together to teach and learn. If you're interested in learning more, visit us at victoryxr.com.